Where's Marcus? Where's Marcus? Does anybody know where Marcus is? Oh, there's Marcus. What are you doing, guy? Are you hiding under the banky? Oh, he's such a cute guy. He's such a cute guy. Yes, he is. Oh, he's such a good boy. Were you hiding under the banky, huh? Yeah. Are you daddy's boy? Are you daddy's boy, huh? Oh gosh, oh gosh. What a good little guy. Oh, stretch. Yeah.